Guys, so I got 9 days to put this boat back together. All the fairing is done. She's ready for some high build primer. I'm gonna start putting back my power head onto my midsection. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Good morning, guys. So those of you that don't know, this is my 1988 Checkmate. It's been a budget build. Everything's been on a budget friendly manner. Not that much money spent into this boat, but today I'm gonna have to get it ready to repaint. I had to fix this crack that it had. I made a whole other video on that if you guys are interested in watching it. But right now she's nice and smooth. I sanded her down. All these dull spots I sanded down with 220. And today I'm gonna show you how I paint my boat in a budget friendly way. Back here it looks a little bad because it's dull, but all this, guys, she needs a polish. She's been sitting under the sun since August. You know, she hasn't been washed. This is the first wash since August. But if you guys can see that on camera, this is a rattle can paint job, guys. So you see there's really no imperfections. This is Rust-Oleum Winter Gray and 2K clear coat. So I was only able to get one can of this stuff, Rust-Oleum Winter Gray. And we're gonna fix this, blend this in, clear it, blend all this in, fix all this, all with one can. That's the goal. It's gonna come out good. It's not gonna come out perfect, but it's gonna come out good, and no one's gonna be able to tell. So, but really, guys, this is just Rust-Oleum paint with 2K clear coat. You can see the spray pattern, how it's spraying. And again, guys, I'm not trying to cake it on there. All I'm trying to do is seal it and get it ready for my paint. Like I said, guys, we're using Rust-Oleum 2K clear coat, and this is my last can, so I gotta make it last. You definitely don't want to be caking this stuff on. Get an empty box or strip box, try it out. You see that there's a little bit of a difference there. There we go. Base coat is laid. Now it's time to throw some clear coat. Alright guys, so she's painting. See, not too bad. Some spots I'm not happy with, but whatever. Sometime in the future I'll paint her a different color. You can see here in some spots you can see the difference in the cans where I touched up. There you can see it more. I mean, it is glossy, so it is what it is. Sometime in the future I'll change the colors. And also for me doing this fast, trying to get it ready for the island runners, you can see some little pinholes there. I'll fix that whenever I change the color. But overall, I'm happy. She looks a lot better than with the crack and with all this cracked up. So the back came out nice. So now I'm gonna, she's dry to the touch. She's good enough to work on, just not dry enough to wet sand. I'm gonna install my jack plate. I decided I want as much setback, so I'm gonna use my hydraulic jack plate and my manual jack plate together. So at least now we can put back the injectors that I just picked up. If you see the before the cleaning, each injector was low, and right after everything was at 110. So this could be the reason why my engine was only getting 5200 RPMs. So hopefully now I can reach the 5900 mark. I'm gonna put these into the fuel rail now, put the plate back on, and start grinding. I also went and I bought some carpet, so I want the whole interior done by the end of tonight. That's the goal. We're 3 days in and I think we've done a lot, so let's get to work, guys.